If a user reports that certain application is not working for them, especially after a migration or a change, how do you verify the connectivity? Finding a path in a complex network can be hard enough by itself, having to map active switching and routing, forwarding and balancing decisions. But additionally, mapping security decisions of all the layer 2 and layer 3 filters can take days if the network is complex enough, especially if multiple zone-based firewall clusters are involved. In this example, we'll see how NIMPI can help you with the migration of a warehouse telemetry app that is publishing data from sensors to the secured servers from one port to another, verifying all forwarding parameters of end-to-end connectivity. We can find the telemetry endpoints by looking at the network map of the warehouse. To understand the topology better, we can see where the site is connected to the transit, group forwarding topology into layer 3 and layer 2 islands, and then finding a specific endpoint connected to a switch that is far from the site's edge, and using it in end-to-end path lookup dialog window. Alternatively, we can simply type part of the DNS name or an address and find endpoint that way, which will do for the server. Looking at the path reveals a number of balancing and filtering decisions of interest, including layer 2 filters, WAN edge filters, missing path redundancy within the site, and the filter in the zone-based firewall cluster. We can see that this particular flow would be allowed, signified by the green arrow, and the matching decision at every point can be drilled down to reveal the detail of the policy. Changing the port to 443 reveals that this traffic would not be allowed, and the connectivity would not be possible, so policy on the firewall will need to be updated for the migration. We can save path lookup result to refer to later or share with the team, and export the image for reporting purposes.